When completing a hose assembly, proper procedures and correct components are critical. Even the smallest mistake can result in serious injury, equipment damage, or system failure. In this video, we'll review 10 of the most common hose coupling mistakes and how to avoid them. One, using an air fitting on a steam hose. Air fittings should never be used for steam service. Improper couplings or clamps in steam applications can lead to catastrophic failure and severe burns. Never use a quick-acting coupling for steam unless it is specifically rated and approved for steam service. 2. Ferrule not fully crimped. The ferrule was not fully inserted into the crimp machine, preventing a complete crimp. Without full engagement, the ferrule cannot achieve proper interlock, creating a serious risk of feeding ejection under pressure. Always verify correct crimp length and full ferrule engagement. 3. Band clamp buckles inline. Preformed band clamp buckles must not be aligned. Buckles should be offset 90 to 180 degrees. Inline buckles create potential leak paths and compromise sealing integrity. Proper positioning ensures uniform compression and a secure connection. 4. Boss clamps not matching hose OD. Boss clamps have specific minimum and maximum outside diameter ranges. The hose OD must fall within that range. If clamp halves touch or bottom out, they cannot apply proper compression and are no longer functional. Always measure the hose OD before selecting a clamp. 5. Wrong fittings and clamps on a hydraulic hose. Hydraulic systems operate under extreme pressure. Using improper fittings, such as worm gear clamps, can lead to sudden and violent failure. These clamps are not designed to withstand hydraulic pressure levels. Hydraulic hose assemblies must always be built and repaired using properly rated components. 6. Add-on restraints in impulse applications. Impulse applications require couplings with built-in locking mechanisms. Temporary add-on restraints, such as wire or hook and loop straps, require operator intervention, slow productivity, and limit cam arm reusability. Use integrated locking arms designed for repeated use and long-term reliability. 7. Mismatched hose and clamp sizes. Clamps must match the hose size exactly. For example, a 2-inch ID hose requires a 2-inch ID clamp rated for that OD range. Using mismatched sizes reduces service life and compromises safety. Correct sizing ensures proper compression and performance. 8. Ferrule positioned incorrectly. The ferrule is positioned too far up the fitting. Without proper placement, the assembly cannot achieve a full interlock. This creates an unsafe connection that may separate under pressure. Always confirm ferrule positioning prior to crimping. 9. Using pipe nipples as hose barbs. Common pipe nipples are not designed as hose shanks. They lack proper serration and retention geometry, causing internal hose damage and poor holding strength. Always use couplings with serrated shanks, specifically engineered for hose applications. 10. Improper clamp placement. Clamp placement is critical, especially when using fittings with raised serrations like cam and groove couplings. The hose was marked where the raised serrations were, but the clamps were placed too far from the marks, allowing the fitting to begin to eject. Improper positioning can lead to fitting ejection under pressure. Ensure clamps are positioned correctly and tightened to specification. Following proper assembly procedures and using the correct components protects personnel, equipment, and operations. Dixon offers on-site hose and coupling safety surveys to identify potential hazards and recommend corrective actions. Visit our website for more information. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at DixonValve.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.